think she love people business. Oh, me don't know about this. Oh, me don't know about victim. Oh, me don't know about lick. This thing I never know about kick.
Okay, boom viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing set, we're blessed. You also know the story incomplete if made upon the beat, and as you can see upon the screen, we have a whole lot to discuss in this video, people, so it's extremely important to watch to the end so you don't miss a thing. Obviously, we want to kick it off with Dancehall King, Vybz Kartel saga, because you know some Masicka bring up a lot of old news, so you know a lot of old people, veterans in the business is back at it again. This is my saying, as you heard in the beginning, Blak Ryno say him not know about not leak, but him know about kicks and all of this stuff. This is my say, meaning he don't want to become like an informer or like Masicka did on this system talk. This is my say, but a lot of Vybz Kartel's victims, according to Masicka, is out here speaking, and you know Blak Ryno this up, Gaza Kim. This is my say. So now she's responding to him, so let's take a listen.
Blak Ryno, is that you? I know you're pranking, boo. Looking around the room, can't help but see the face you made, boo. When shotty clap your real bad, I can't put into words how I feel. Twin, where have you been? Nobody no get licked like you do. Nobody don't get boxed up like you. Can't even deny it when me looking at your eye. One look now your eye, me just a cry, cry. Blood do, ba, ba, boo, ba, boom. So you get your blood clot box up them too. Don't play with me. Ryno, no play with me. Don't play with me. Just not do it. Ryno.
Yeah, putting out the comment section where you think about that. No, you know, a lot of people is saying Blak Ryno's kind of out here lying because, you know, him do one song a couple of years ago where, you know, when him they left to Gaza and all of these things. So that's why you see Gaza Kim, you know, a chime in after she was brought in the lyrics. But nevertheless, Masicka brought up Vanessa Bling and she's throwing major shade towards Vybz Kartel way. And this is nothing new, my people. She's been doing that since he's been locked up in prison. So when you see her put the caption, winning environment, you know, she's talking about Masicka saying, you know, she get win. You see my say, boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. And I don't know why she's so upset with Vybz Kartel because she got hit songs that put her, you know, around the world touring and making money. You feel me? And if she had issues with Kartel, she wouldn't sing none of those songs. But as you can see in front of you, this is where she started to pick up Masicka. Right? And when they mention Vybz Kartel name in the comment section, well, let's take a listen and see what she says.
Me know somebody who want ramp with physically or mentally. I'm a very humble girl. Please, don't make the devil say no. Please, me I beg for no. Big up Masicka. Somebody said Masicka was your area. Big up yourself, Masicka. I see someone who come from my page like when you come forget a highlight. Vanessa Bling the highlight people. Someone who come on the page want to be seen. We know you are not a Vanessa Bling fan, so why you come here? We don't need you here. You're not welcome here. Wait till me I go say, oh, you won, get off. Now I won't call your name. You won't get in the hype of Vanessa Bling. No day, no time, no minute, no second. You have to earn that. No one gets hyped off Vanessa Bling. You got to earn that. Like I earned mine. So go earn yours.
Yeah, he changed the date to...
Yeah, can I write something from a page? I'm Singlish. Unstoppable.
Yes, putting in the comment section what you think about that. Like I said, people, I don't really feel it's Masicka's position to be talking about all of this stuff that doesn't have nothing to do with him. And it happened a long time ago. And at the same time, if he's defending women, you know what happened to his baby moms that he has out here, you know, being dealt with wickedly. You see, man, I say, you can't read what Stylish say and all of these things. So that's why people say Masicka is really out here simping over, you know, Vybz Kartel concubines, basically. You see, man, I say, because we know Gaza, you know, Bling was with the whole crew before Vybz Kartel, according to Lisa Hyper, who didn't know Shawty did Derek Cartel. But nevertheless, let's give them a quick update while go on, you see me? Let's proceed with the mix-up. Okay, people, the next trending story, me say out of Jamaica, have to deal with Miss Lavine because she's saying that Frozen and Treasure rob her TikTok money. But her daughter Rose is saying that her mom is lying, my people. Put in the comment section where you think about that, because I can give you my honest opinion about these people that is helping, you know, these type of people like Rose's mother on social media. But let's hear what the mom is saying, because I cannot believe the mom, you know. May I work with the mad people, you know. You see my some people.
Gonna realize what you do to me. The people that want back their money, cause not me get it. Diamond Treasure and Rose, what she call herself, Frozen on the media. I want my money. And when I get my money from, the rest of the money I forget from Treasure, and all of my money where Frozen have to give me, work it out. Right, listen.
Tell them how the money part go with you and Treasure. That if I explain to them.
Treasure, you know, so I know, I don't know how much money, I get 28,000, I don't know how much money I really get. I know. I do not know. Can not play a mind game on me. I do not know how much money I get. I want to show my foolishness. I remember, it wasn't my page. Remember, it wasn't my page. Remember, people, thank you, people. It wasn't my page. And even when I do get the phone, they do whatever they want to do with the phone, so I know how much money I get. So them get my money, cash out my money. Men, I look a good relation for you now because we get red eye. Yeah. Red eye. But she robbed me. Tell the people that you robbed me. Tell the people you robbed you what exactly? What? Exactly. What the people that rob you? People don't rob your shit. And a bag of gift never, no bag of excitement, and a bag of gift never blood clot. So I'm also typing. But that too Rose enough. She for blood clot because she always enough. She too enough. But and no bag of gift never try to say you get no bag of money. I'm not going to sit here and tell a lie. Come in a lie, no, not at the party them. You know, like none out of the blood clot party. I say that. What do you that's to a lie. No bag of gifts never choke. I one day, chick, I one day. Me can't record she over there with the bag of wish I get the gift them. And a bag of gifts not choke. And even if you go on for one next day and two look road show and two look money gun show and run. Yeah, if you get a bag of expensive gift. If you say alright then. Yeah. One money gonna $5, two one money gonna $5. I'm $2.50 to get for one money gun. I TikTok take half. As I said before, you know, people, me no know if nobody see up on the platform and send our money, otherwise some to give them on TikTok. But if gift did show, when I say yes, gift did blood clot show, but could I say yes, them rob you blood clot shit. You don't understand. How they see the baggery and the baggery and the baggery and the baggery. When TikTok don't take for them half out, we get is nothing. I want to go upon the other you, but Peter Pan, thank you. Be over there watch for a long while. Cause summitan. I thought I was a junior really got my but we say yeah. Cameroon know the whole of them lie. I tell you, I tell a liar so. You know I got tell a lie. Where the people in blood clot rob you. Them robbing not you just enough. And think when they get the things that I want at the world they get. The world. I want a bad mind. I don't know how it works. So 99% of them will see upon TikTok bad mind and things. So when they get upon TikTok, you get told to give for the world, you have block, you get so you're rich. So them can't slap you upon slaughter, but TikTok half every blood clot we get. When you cash out them take a percentage said blood clot we. People want to feed them blood clot money.
Okay, people, this is my take. I think anybody who is helping anybody financially should take the time to help them set up these necessary financial accounts like PayPal, Cash App, or whatever. You see what I say? I don't think people who helping people make money should be receiving these people's money if this is all they think of. You see what I say? Frozen and Church should have took the time to, make ROSEALEE mom open PayPal account and all of these things. So every money go to their account. And if things is missing, whatever, enough of them business. You know what I mean? It has to be a lot of transparency out here, You see what I say? So man, just again a quick update while I go on for that go on. People man I got long on this no longer, so do the right thing and subscribe to my channel because I'll go live later, Turn on the notification bell to be notified, when we drop the latest though. Bless. You see what I say?